had a DJ the other day ask me about doing events for people they know. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of my regular, all-time, every day, well, not every day, every week, little show. Again, thanks to my sponsors. Be sure you be nice to them. Electro Voice, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, and of course, the Entertainment Experience. That's my workshop. Want to know more about it? Got a couple seats available coming up. So anyway, doing events for friends that you know, well, people that you know. Let me make it clear. I like to do events for people that I like and that I get to know. By the time I'm done doing my event for them, I know them really well because I'm creating things for them that are emotional and meaningful, not to me, but to them, so that I can create some kind of a impact with the people that I end up working with, and for the audiences, the guests that come and be a part of the event. But that isn't the question the guy had. The question was about a friend of his. And another person that same week said the same thing about doing something for a family member. And they weren't sure if they should do it because they've had bad experiences in the past. Well, first of all, if you've had bad experiences in the past, you're right, maybe you shouldn't do it. Or you find a way to alleviate those bad experiences. These are difficult to do, mostly because people that know us from when we grow up, they don't really give us our due when it comes to what we do, right? When was the last time your mom or your dad were impressed by your work? Okay, I know movie stars that have their parents sort of like, yeah, okay, or their friends or things like that. Or I've had friends say to me, well, you could just DJ my wedding, right? You're a friend of mine. Why don't you just come and do it? For free? Well, that would be really nice of me, wouldn't it? What they don't understand is what you're giving up. And sometimes what you don't understand is what you're giving up until, of course, you decide to do it and you start looking at the fact that you just gave them a gift that, when it comes to the dollar amount, is more than even their parents got for them, right? We work and get paid what we need to make because we take time away from our families and our loved ones. We take what we do very, very seriously. It's a profession. It pays our bills. And the same person who asks you to DJ for their wedding for free, if he's a surgeon, is not going to take out your gallbladder for nothing, right? Or if he is a house builder, is not going to build you an addition or a new bathroom for nothing, because they work to make the money to pay their bills and then to maybe buy you a gift for your wedding for maybe $50. People don't understand. Yeah, this is a fun job, but it's a job. It's a job that does the same thing that their job does, is it makes money to pay our bills. So if you do give away your services to a friend or a family member, you need to get that you can't hold over them the idea that you just gave them $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 gift. You just got to do it, or don't do it. But it's usually the money. It's usually the money that gets in the way of your brother not being mad at you, or you being mad at your brother, or your dad, or your sister, or your best friend, because they just don't understand and they ought to. Well, they don't. So you need to get over that. There's no way to explain it to them without sounding arrogant. I get paid for this. You know, I'm giving you an expensive gift. That sounds arrogant. It's not. But there's no way around it. It's a lot like when somebody asks me to lend them $50. If I want to lend $50, I give $50. If they pay it back to me, I'm surprised and delighted. If they don't, the moment it went in their hand, I don't want to know what they did with it. And I don't expect it back. Because that amount of money, any amount of money, can ruin loving relationships. So some people just don't work for friends and family. Other people, when they do, have specific contracts and deal with these people like clients. What do you do? What have you done? Has this gotten in your way? I'd love to know. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time.